Next in CSS, we are going to do pagination. So it's a process of breaking a large content into a small content and linking those small content with each other with the help of links. So this is the page which we are going to design. This is pagination. Here, this is the main page. From here, we are going to page number 1. This is page number 2, and this is page number 3. And if you want to go reverse, this is page number 2, page 1, and again this is P page. So this thing we are going to design. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section, H1 style, I'm giving here text align to center, and here we are giving main page, and here lorem into 10 I'm doing. So this is the text which we got with the help of lorem multiplied by 10. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. Same way we are going to design another page. This is m1.html, and here also this is our basic HTML code, and here we are doing same thing. H1 style equals to text align to center. Here I'm giving m1. Here paragraph tag, lorem multiplied by 10. Save. This is our page 1. Same way we are going to design m2, m3 pages. Now I want that the links should be in the center of the page. So here I'm giving div class. This class we are going to create later, equals to center. It's the name of our class. And here within this div I'm creating one more div class equals to, I'm giving here name pagination, and this class also which we will be creating later. And within these two divs we'll be creating link. So first link is a href equals to, here we are going to give m1.html, and here we are giving m1. Similarly we are going to create m2, m3. Here we'll be giving main. Here it is m1, it should be m2 here, m2, and here it should be m3, and here we are giving to main we are giving m only. Save, and right now our page is looking like this. So these are linked. This is our main m1, m2, and m3. Similarly we are going to give links in m1, m2, and m3 pages. So after giving link for main.html on m1 page, we want link for m2. So here we'll be giving m2.html, and here we can give m2, then for m3.html, here we'll be giving m3, and here equals to From M1 we want to go to M2. So here again I'm giving M2.html, and here I'm giving the symbol. Save, and click on go live. So these are the links which we have got. Same way we'll go do for M3. So this is our M3, and here we have to give div class equals to center, one more div class equals to pagination, and within this div we are going to give links. So a equals to, right now we are on M2. We want that when we click on previous button it should go to M1. So here we have to give M1 m1.html, and here we have to give this again a href equals to within double quotes. Now we are doing it on M2, so we want that there should be M3 tag. So M3 dot html, here we are giving M3, save it, and right now our page is looking like this. Now we have to go for M3. So this is our M3 page. Here we have to give a backward link. So here also in M3 div class equals to center. We want that link should be in center, and another class we are giving, another div we are giving, and we are giving assigning a class pagination to it, and within this div we are giving a href equals to, we want to move back to M2 from M3. So here we are giving m2.html, and here I'm giving this sign, save, and go live. So this is our M3 page. When we are clicking here it is going to M2, when we are clicking here it is going to M1, and again when we are clicking here it is going to main page. Now we have to put all these links in the center. For that we have made a class center. So we'll be assigning, here will be in head section we are giving style tag, and within style tag this is our class center, and here we'll giving text align to center, save. We are going to do this thing in all the 3 pages. This is our main page, sorry, this is our M3 page. Now we have to do it for main. Right now it is not in the center, so we have to bring it in the center. So now all the links are in the center. So this is our main. So here it is in center. M1 is in center. M2 also in center. M3 is in center. Now we have made one more class, pagination. So we are creating that class dot, and here we are giving display property to inline block. We'll be doing same thing for all the pages. Now here in main, first of all, through links we have to remove underline. So to address that link we have to use pagination A, and here I'm doing text decoration to none. We want that color of text should be black. Padding we are giving is 12 pixel. Background color we are giving is yellow green. Border we are giving is 1 pixel solid green. Save it, and this is our page M3. This is our M2 page. We can see that all the links are here, but there's a space in between these links. So what we have to do here is, I'm giving float property to left. Save, and you can see that all the links are with each other. Now we want to give these links a round shape. So what we have to do is border radius, and here I'm giving it as 50%. Save, and this is how we can change it to round shape. We have to do this thing for all the pages. So here pages on links on M1 page is round in shape. Similarly for M2 page, so this is our M2 page, and now M3 page. So this is our M3 page. Next we want to give hover effect to these links, like whenever we go from this link to this link, then background color should be a little different. So for that, here M1 dot pagination A, and we are giving hover effect. We want that its background color should change from initially it was yellow green. So here I want to give background color to green yellow. Same thing we are doing for all the pages. save it, and we can see that here whenever we are hovering over it, it is changing its color, background color. Now we are want to give a transition effect to it. So here we are giving transition, and here we are giving background color. Here I'm giving time is 5 seconds. Save it. We'll be doing it for all the pages. So now whenever we are hovering over it, right now it is not changing, we have to click on go live, and now this is, we are on M3. Here we start from M1. So it hasn't taken transition effect. Sorry, here we wrote wrong. Here it should be transition. Here it should be transition. Here also it will be transition, and here also transition. Save. And then go live. So right now we are on M page, main page. This is not going to take us to any other page because we are on main only. Now we are on M1 page. We can move back also. This is main. This is M1. This is M2 now. This is M3 page. We are moving back now. So this is M2 again. From M2 we are coming to M1, and from M1 we are coming to main. So this was our pagination.